What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name is Josh. I hope all is well. Today we got some more carbon fiber. Today we're installing a new carbon fiber rear spoiler. So this thing is looking absolutely beautiful. I do really like the carbon fiber spoiler I have right now, but we had to go with the PSM style, a little bit more aggressive of a style. So huge thank you to Suvneer. I appreciate you guys sending this out. This thing looks absolutely beautiful. So before we get started, we're gonna do some ceramic coat and get this thing nice and shiny, squeaky clean. Let's get started. So we're going to be using this deluxe hydrophobic ceramic coating. This is the same stuff I'm going to be using on the wheels. Once we ever get around to that, that's on the agenda. But let's go ahead and get this carbon fiber spoiler cleaned up, nice and shiny. Links will be in the description if you're interested. So we're going ahead and clean up the spoiler with some alcohol, microfiber towel. Let's get started. Look at that shine. So this is definitely a must. This is my first time using ceramic coat, and it's definitely not going to be my last time. It just has this deep gloss. I mean, carbon fiber already shines, but this thing is shining pretty. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and then buff away any areas that need it. Alright, so here we got the old spoiler. Definitely looks good. But, you know, change is good for everything we got going on with the new bumper and everything we've done lately. This more aggressive PSM style is going to look a little bit better. I do like this spoiler. It's just a little bit too subtle. And, you know, change is good. Change is good. So let's go ahead and get this one off. So actually this came out pretty smooth. If this is your first time doing it and you have the stock little spoiler on these cars, good luck getting all this residue off. This came out pretty smooth. I'll go ahead and use some alcohol to clean this up. Alright, so pro tip, if you ever can't get any of this residue off, it's looking pretty clean, but that first time ever taking the spoiler off is usually a massive pain with all that residue. This is what I used, and it's crazy because I had to use both of them. I just sprayed a shit ton of both all over all the residue and let it sit for a few minutes, let it soak all in there, and then just, you gotta be patient and push all that residue out. But yeah, Goo Gone and bug and tar remover, saving lives out here. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. My honest opinion, I literally hate these cars without a spoiler, or even the OEM spoiler. It's just such a little baby weak spoiler, and I just, that's a big no-no. That's a big no bueno for me. It looks so funny. It literally looks so funny. That's a huge no. The spoiler is a must on this car. So let's go get this new PSM style prepped. You know a company's legit when they send you out that 3M tape with your order too. Clutch, because I am not trying to go buy this shit. No, no, no. Especially with Amazon Prime being Amazon next month delivery. Yeah, I'm not trying to go to the store at all and buy no 3M tape. That shit's expensive. No. Suvneer, thank you. Alright, so here's the comparison of the two. The top one's obviously been ceramic coated, and this bottom one's been looking very clean for being on the car for over a year and a half. Alright, so here it is, looking beautiful, and we learned a valuable lesson. Tape and ceramic coat, they don't vibe. So as you guys saw, using tape just didn't work at all. That was my method for last time I put the spoiler on, but that did not work this time. So we had to eye it up, and it actually came out pretty perfect. Fitment is nice and clean, and then with the little indent in the middle, it looks freaking so good. Whoo! Loving it. I'm loving it. This thing is mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some before and afters. And I think we're gonna go take a cruise, find some cool spots, get some good photos. Looks freaking spectacular. Alright, so we're just taking a cruise, getting out of the house for a little bit. Gonna go find some cool spots, get a couple photos. Just enjoy the drive. Really, just get out of the house for a while. Hope everybody isn't going too crazy. I know I've been super busy. A lot of companies and places closing down. My work's been busier than ever. We did just have our year end for the end of March, so that was super busy, and I figured it would slow down as a lot of companies are closing and a lot of skeleton crews working. Not too many companies have much people working. Figured it'd slow down? No, not at all. So getting out for a rare bit to drive is quite enjoyable, I'm not gonna lie. With everything going on, driving this car has pretty much been the most entertaining enjoyment I've had So I don't know if that's sad or I don't know if that's a good thing, because this car's just so much freaking fun to drive. It's definitely pretty crazy what's going on with everything. So I hope everybody staying safe and making smart decisions. Alright everyone, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, massive, huge thank you to Suvneer. It's kind of crazy. They got a whole bunch of good stuff. Not just carbon fiber and not just for the F-Series chassis. They got carbon for a whole bunch of different chassis. And what I thought was pretty cool is they got body kits for days. They got a whole bunch of body kits. It's kind of crazy how many Cali companies are doing some really cool stuff. But again, Suvneer with the absolute hookup, so I am definitely very appreciative. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I know in my prior video I said I got a bunch of videos, but I think the next one's gonna be, we're going stage 2 boot mode. I've basically been waiting just to make the video and wanted to go stage 2, so I think that's what I want to do next. So stay tuned, stay safe out there. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.